can I help you today?
I've been on antibiotics since I was a kid. My gut's a mess. Do you have anything for that?
I do. Herbicillin.
Sometimes I get UTIs because of certain underwear or toilet paper that I use. Do you have anything for that?
Herbicillin.
And then there's times I get yeast infections right before my period because of hormonal changes. Do you have anything for that?
Totally understand it. Yep. Herbicillin.
Our house always gets the cold and flu. Anything to prevent that?
Yeah. Herbicillin.
What about cold sores? My family always gets those.
Yep. Shingles, cold sores. Herbicillin.
What about traveling? How should I prevent getting sick?
Herbicillin.
What about my nieces and nephews who can't swallow pills?
Liquid. Herbicillin. 6 months and up. There you go.
So what you're saying is I just need herbicillin?
Herbicillin.